Hindi porket gusto mo ang isang bagay, ay palaging ibibigay sa'yo. Hindi dahil hindi ka deserving, o kaya naman mali yung bagay na hinihiling mo. But sometimes, God wants you to have it, not in a place of need, but in a place of gratitude. And when you're ready to not have it in life, it will certainly come in the most perfect time. Dear, when God says yes, the timing is perfect and your heart is ready for it. But when He says no, it is not meant for you, but He has better plans. And when God says not yet, He is working on you first while working on it. God is aligning our hearts while preparing our little miracles. Dear, hindi galit si Lord sa'yo kapag wala pang nangyayari. Hindi ka niya pinagdadamutan kapag pinili niyang wag mo nang ibigay. Hindi din siya bingi sa mga tahimik mong panalangin. Alam niya, narinig niya lahat. Pero makakaasa ka na kapag handa ka nang mawala ang mga bagay na hawak ng dalawang kamay mo, ibabalik niya yan sa'yo kapag handa na rin ang puso mo. With love and prayers, Noel.